Hi kids, welcome back. So as I promised in my previous video, I will be giving you a brief introduction about our Abacus tool. So this is our Abacus tool, okay? And these red thingies you can see, no? They are known as beads. What they are known as? Beads. The beads that are on the top are known as upper beads. The beads that are in the bottom are known as lower beads, okay? They are already pointed there, okay? Where are these beads wired? Where are these beads aligned? They are aligned in rods. Can you spot the rods? Yes, those are the rods. Okay. Where is all this combined? It is all combined in a frame. Okay. And the line that you can see in a between, no, the thick line you can see in between that is referred as beam. You can call that as divider. You can either call it as beam or a divider. Okay, what does it divide? The upper beats and the lower beats. Easy. Okay. And just so you were curious that how our ancient abacus looked like, our ancient abacus looked like this. Okay. And now abacus looks like this. Okay. I'll see you in the next video now. Stay connected. Bye bye.